we going to meet our friends and what time already? What time already? You still here quarreling? Want to quarrel at night lah? Hey, wow, 背诵啊，哎呦。I say, she bathed damn long one I wait tahan her one Last time when I know her ask her meet me 3 p.m. She 2:45 already reach already. Now wow, she like go bathroom like whole concert like that. She thinks she Beyonce keep on bathing, need to bathe 2 hours one What damn troublesome one Aiyo, jialat Next time I tell you want to find a girl right, make sure right you analyze properly see whether married already right, we will have this kind of pattern.
Okay, he doesn't even flush the toilet. What? I mean, when we were married, he sprayed it nicely, kept everything really clean, and this is like 1,000 times that I've told him to flush the toilet. Do I have to set a reminder on his alarm? Do I have to whisper in his ear every night, oh baby, please flush the freaking toilet? No. You get what I mean? You get what I mean?
Wow, don't know what she have for dinner one Wow, she always fart one that fart so smelly. Wow, like my house the drain like that. Wow, nobody clean some more. Wow, I say, her fart damn smelly Well, last time she not like that one, you know or not? Last time even she want to fart, she will say, excuse me. Then after she go one side fart. Now fart like anytime one, like free flow one, no control one. I have enough of her.
You see? How am I supposed to sleep in this state? He's snoring like a freaking pig and... how do you even sleep in this noise? When we were married, it wasn't even like that. Dear, you didn't flush the toilet last time again. How many times did I tell you to flush it? You mean you can't even do such a simple thing that even a primary school kid can do? Huh? What's wrong? Hello? Can you please... Hello, I'm talking to you. Can you please listen to me?
Wow, you don't keep on You're not boring, I also boring. I play game only, then you keep on nagging for what? Hey, I can hear you, I know what you're talking about. You at least say don't know how many times already, keep on repeating. Ayo, I'm not deaf
Yeah, but I'm just trying to talk to you. I'm so sick and tired of you always not listening to me. I don't even want to talk to you now, so I'm just gonna go away. I don't even want to talk.
You're happy you go under Jurong, I also don't care only you know how to do You go that side, I come that side Dear, sorry, I should not have speak in that manner to you. Just now I was too agitated. I'm really very sorry. You know, we have braved through all the storm and all the rain. So what is love without all this? So I promise you, I will not snore again. At least I try lah. Then I will flush the toilet. I will make sure.
I'm sorry too. I should have I shouldn't nag so much at you, and shouldn't fart so much, and I should be faster when I get ready, and I'm really sorry for that.
Dear, it's okay. Because right, this is the way you are, and I love you for the way you are. And all the while right, there's only one thing right in my life right that I have no regret. And that is knowing you and loving you. And I'm willing to build a castle right for you. And trust me, I really love you a lot.
I love you too.
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.